I made flame stencil. I print from computer picture of flame, few different sizes, and I put on clear plastic and with a knife cut out I cut 3 sizes of realistic flame, but I can put on some of a fishing lure like that. The flame stencil, paint, flame on fishing lure. You have 3 sizes. I have negative and positive. I can use both of them and just spray it on fishing lures like that, or like that, any. I made few lures, bigger size. It's a nice shape. On bigger fishing lure I can put scales, which I made with bigger tools. Can look like that. I can zoom. It's not paint underneath, no base coat. I just put foil. I want to see how it looks like, and it's amazing. I can combine golden the foil or silver, any kind of material, or this one shiny. Yeah, a few different color of that. And I just try to make stencil for painting fishing scale as a rubber, soft rubber. I just put a few different sizes. You can paint through fishing scales.